Hey there, are you ready? If you've never had a girlfriend and you're wondering what women notice first when they meet a guy, you've come to the right place. The first impression is crucial, and you don't want to miss out on that special connection because of a few easily fixable details. So let's dive into what she notices first with some helpful, easy-to-understand tips to get you started on the right foot. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could be a game changer in your quest to win her heart. Number 1, your smile. A smile is one of the first things she'll notice. It's a universal sign of friendliness and approachability. A genuine smile can light up a room and make a lasting impression. According to studies, people who smile are perceived as more confident and approachable. So flash those pearly whites and make sure your smile is warm and sincere. Number 2, your eyes. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul. Make sure they reflect confidence and warmth. Eye contact shows confidence and interest. Don't stare too intensely, but don't avoid eye contact either. A balanced gaze can communicate a lot about your personality and intentions. Number 3, your hygiene. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Women notice details like well-groomed hair, clean nails, and fresh breath. Good hygiene shows you care about yourself and respect others. Shower regularly, use deodorant, and keep your appearance tidy. A fresh scent can also be very appealing, so choose a subtle cologne that suits you. Number 4, your style. Your personal style speaks volumes about your personality. You don't have to wear designer clothes, but your outfit should be clean, well-fitted, and appropriate for the occasion. Dress to impress by choosing clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Pay attention to details like matching your belt with your shoes and avoiding wrinkled or stained clothes. Number 5, your body language. Nonverbal cues play a huge role in first impressions. Stand tall, don't slouch, and keep your shoulders back. Open and relaxed body language signals confidence and approachability. Avoid crossing your arms, which can make you seem closed off or defensive. Confident and open body language can make you more approachable and engaging. Number 6, your voice. A calm and clear voice can be very soothing and attractive. The tone and pitch of your voice can influence how she feels about you. Avoid talking too fast or too loudly. Practice speaking at a moderate pace with a tone that conveys warmth and sincerity. Your voice can show confidence and put her at ease. Number 7, your attentiveness. Being attentive shows that you are genuinely interested in the other person. Women appreciate when you listen actively and show genuine interest in what they're saying. Nod, smile, and respond appropriately to show that you're engaged in the conversation. Avoid distractions like looking at your phone or checking your watch. Making her feel heard and valued can set you apart. Number 8, your confidence. Confidence is key. It shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities. It's not about being boastful or arrogant, but being comfortable in your own skin. Stand by your opinions and beliefs without being overbearing. Confidence can be shown through your posture, eye contact, and how you handle conversations. If you're nervous, take a deep breath and remind yourself of your strengths. Number 9, your humor. A good sense of humor can break the ice and make you more likable. Light, appropriate humor can show that you're fun and easygoing. Avoid jokes that could be offensive or misunderstood. Instead, focus on being playful and positive. Laughter can create a bond and make your interactions memorable. Number 10, kindness is a universal language that never goes out of style. Simple gestures like holding the door open, offering a genuine compliment, or being considerate can leave a lasting impression. Kindness shows that you care about others, qualities that are highly attractive. Be genuine in your actions and show empathy towards others. Number 11, sharing your interests can make you more relatable and interesting. Talk about your hobbies, interests, and what excites you. Enthusiasm is contagious, and showing what you love can give her a glimpse into who you are. Just make sure to balance the conversation and show interest in her passions as well. Number 12, good manners are always in style. Saying please and thank you, being polite to service staff, and showing respect in your interactions can make a big difference. Women notice how you treat others, and good manners reflect well on your character. Remember, they show respect and consideration. Number 13, your ambition. Ambition shows that you have goals and are driven to achieve them. It indicates that you're driven and have a purpose in life. Talk about your dreams and what you're working towards. Ambition can signal stability and determination, traits that many find attractive. Just be sure to balance your ambition with a down-to-earth attitude. Number 14, your friends. The company you keep can say a lot about you. Women often notice your friends and how you interact with them. Positive, supportive friendships reflect well on you. If your friends are respectful and kind, it enhances your image. Choose your friends wisely as they bring out the best in you. Number 15, your positivity. A positive attitude can be very contagious and uplifting. Optimism and a can-do spirit are infectious. Women appreciate a man who looks at the bright side of things and can handle challenges with grace. Positivity can create a pleasant atmosphere and make your time together enjoyable. Number 16. Showing respect to others is a sign of maturity and good character. Show respect for her opinions, space, and boundaries. Avoid interrupting or talking over her. Respect can build trust and create a foundation for a meaningful connection. It's a sign of maturity and emotional intelligence. Number 17. Being reliable and dependable makes you trustworthy. If you say you'll do something, follow through. Being someone she can count on builds trust and respect. It shows that you're serious and committed, qualities that are highly valued. Number 18. High energy levels can be very attractive and engaging. An upbeat, energetic demeanor can make you more appealing. It shows that you're engaged and excited about life. Just be sure to balance your energy and not come off as overly hyper or intense. Number 19. Your openness. Being open and sincere about who you are can make you more approachable. Authenticity is attractive because it shows that you're comfortable with yourself. Share your thoughts and feelings honestly, and be open to new experiences and ideas. Openness can create a deeper connection and make you more relatable. Number 20. Embrace your uniqueness. Embrace what makes you unique. Your quirks, interests, and personality traits make you stand out from the crowd. Don't try to be someone you're not. Authenticity is attractive, and being true to yourself can make you stand out, so celebrate your individuality and let it really shine. And finally, the bonus tip, the secret to a lasting impression. The secret to a lasting impression is consistency. It's not just about making a great first impression, but maintaining those positive traits over time. Be consistent in your actions and behavior. Show her that the guy she first met is the real you. Consistency builds trust and deepens the connection, making your relationship stronger and more meaningful. So there you have it. These 21 tips can help you make a fantastic first impression and set the stage for a meaningful connection. But remember, the key is to stay true to yourself. Embrace these tips and you'll be well on your way to creating lasting positive impressions. Good luck, and go make that first impression count. If you have any success with these tips, let me know in the comments below. Oh yeah, one more thing. Hit the bell and like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for listening. See you next time.